Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, we'll begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings. So let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on the display and brightness. Let's tap. That was a misclick. Display and brightness, and again misclick. Alright, and as you can see on this, let's say third position, we've got the eye comfort, and of course we can turn it on without the customization, just tap on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or dark or amber, sorry, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then it is the best option to use. If you want to customize it, just tap on eye comfort, and as you can see here, we've got some options. So currently we've got the always on option, which simply means that you will have to turn it on and off manually, I mean this whole eye comfort mode, but we can schedule it. Just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, we can freely pick the start time and the end time, whatever. And as you can see, we've got the hours set, and our screen is still in, let's say, normal colors. It is because of course we are not between the start and end time. Of course, if we will start at for example maybe 6 p.m, maybe not 6 p.m, 4 p.m, you can see that it immediately changes the colors. It is of course because we are after the start time, but let me turn it off. Here we've got this color, the screen color temperature. Currently we've got the coolest option set, so it is less visible than the warm one. As you can see, after switching to the warm, and the screen is almost orangish. So of course set it just like you want to, which option is most comfortable for you. I will set it around the middle. And here we've got the display effect, so we've got the color, which means that of course we've got the yellow screen, and the colors are still applied. So for example, as you can see on this green switcher, but we can set black and white, and as you can see, everything will be displayed in the black, white, and of course gray colors. I will stick to the color. So basically this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, unroll it fully of course, and here we have to find the eye comfort icon. Currently it is turned on, so in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. Of course you can do it again, and again it will be yellow. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.